कल्पना, आपने बताया उस टाइम कि 8-10 ही वहाँ पे थे फंड्स, अभी 5000 से ज़्यादा है। तो अगर कोई आज की डेट में करना चाहता है, सो देयर लॉट ऑफ नॉइज़, अ लॉट ऑफ न्यूज़ कमिंग इन, आप ट्विटर पे कुछ कंज्यूम कर रहे हो, लिंक्डइन पे somebody is giving their own view and then there's a counter view to it. So if you then look at investment, what is the one fundamental approach that one should follow इतने नॉइज़ के बीच?
बहुत टफ है, मतलब I personally also, while coming from my desk to here is like a 25-step journey, and in these 25 steps I had some 25 notifications on LinkedIn which I saw since morning, and then when you read up, there are so many views and everything. So what has happened is, these digital platforms, while they are very valuable if you know how to consume them, but they have also become the battleground for everyone's opinion.
Right.
Whether you are an expert or not an expert, सबके opinion आ जाते हैं. And the common man doesn't know who's an expert. और एक्सपर्ट उसे माना जाता है जो अच्छी भाषा में बात करता है, नॉट नेसेसरली जिसके पास रियल
डेप्थ ऑफ नॉलेज
डेप्थ हो. तो टफ है बहुत, इट्स वेरी टफ. सो मे बी द इजियर ऑप्शन इज टू से दैट स्विच ऑफ. आई टेल पीपल, in fact you're talking about Neil, right? We were in one of the WhatsApp group where people talk about ब्राजील में कौन सा स्टॉक लेना चाहिए, यूएस में साइबर सिक्योरिटी का कौन सा थीम या ETF खरीदना चाहिए. And the same person may be asking कि equity fund का taxation क्या है, multi asset fund का taxation क्या है. So what I've realized is, in investing, people try to solve post graduation problems without having cleared KG classes also.
Right.
And that I think is a illusion gap, that we feel it is easy. And then we try to solve complex things, and then we don't take the right decisions. We don't have the right anchors or the right role models or the right people who should be our guides. On social media, because of my authority as a CEO, people will ask me, I have some money, whether should I invest in your value fund? Now, with that one line question, how would I know what is your context, what is your need, what is the life cycle of your career or your risk profile, for me to give that as an answer? So I think the simpler thing would be to find a good doctor first.
Right.
पहले तो अच्छा एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर ढूंढो, या अच्छा वेल्थ मैनेजर ढूंढो, या अच्छा एडवाइजर ढूंढो, who understands your reality and can then guide you, and then gradually you will learn how to do it. So what we always say is that, don't search for the best fund. It is anyways the worst way to invest.
Right.
Anyone who searches for the best fund and is investing in the best funds of today, there's enough data. I think Josh had recently in one of the Mint articles, it's something that all your viewers should look at, which shows that 70 to 85% of funds which are the best funds of today are mostly not the best funds of the next 3 and 5 years. In fact, a lot of them are the worst funds of the next 3 to 5 years.
Right.